How to apply the beauty filters in the Meitu app. So first open the app if you haven't already and make sure you have the latest version installed. Here you'll see an option called photo. Simply tap on it and select the photo that you would like to apply the beauty filters. After choosing the photo, you'll see many options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the beautify option on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, you'll see options like face, slim, body, smooth, and many more. You can simply go ahead and apply your preferred beauty filters following these simple steps. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.